Hello, my name is Lucia and this is Have Fun Creating. Welcome to another vlog of my sewing journey. On the previous one, I mentioned all the different projects that I wanted to do prior to Christmas. It's now the 19th of December. Bear in mind, I've never worked with boiled wool before. I've done the Ilford jacket for my youngest daughter, and for my eldest daughter, she's got the flow coat. Both of them with boiled wool. I have done some sew along videos, which I'm yet to edit. That probably happened during Christmas. And if you want to know how I got on, the hairy moments, the oh my god moments, subscribe and you'll find those videos will go up. Hopefully they'll be useful. I've learned quite a lot. I made quite a few mistakes which I had to rectify, but I am very proud of both of the coats. Very, very pleased. Out of both patterns, I will probably do the Ilford coat again, and I will make it this time in canvas. And I want to make another one with a Sherpa lining. So, but that's a future project. Sometime in January, maybe. Yes, there is a future project. I do like the fact that this is the first time I do jackets, and I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased. The process, if I make more, I know it would be faster. The Ilford coat being the first one, definitely recommend that for beginners. I found it very useful. There's lots and lots of tutorials online. The pattern designer's got a beautiful instructional video that you can watch. It really, really helps to get all the steps. And it is a very, very easy pattern. And I like the fact that you can have so many different styles of pockets. You just pick and choose. So you really can customize it so much. The flow coat was slightly more harder because the instructions or the video instructions are in French. So even with the subtitles in English, I still had to watch it several times to make sure that I was getting it right. But I'm pleased I did. I like the collar. I've done quite a good job out of the collar, if I say so myself, and I am very pleased. I did also manage to finish my Secret Santas, which was a couple of book sleeves that I did. The first one I did with just normal interfacing, and it wasn't well, I suppose it was still nice, but it was the first one. And when I did my second Secret Santa, I did it with quilt, with the quilting style, and I think it was more bouncy. I probably liked it more. I might make myself a book sleeve for my books as well. I managed to do lots of these bookmarks, lots of these tiny little bookmarks. I did 24 of them. I've only got 4 left. I have given them away with people's Christmas cards inside. All in all, I think the last 20 days has been a success. I have done quite a lot. Okay, I didn't do my own coat, which I wanted to do, a red one, the Nova one. But I might do that the first week of January, start the new year a bit more relaxed, knowing that there's no buttonholes in that one, so it will be a lot easier. And I won't be lining it anyway, so I will do a sew along with that as well. So do subscribe, and you'll find out when I do release that. I'm sort of in the process of setting myself a challenge for next year. But I need to think about it a bit more. So more on that on the next vlog. What are the plans now? I have my mother coming from abroad to spend it with us at Christmas. My daughters are coming, my grandson. So I have a full house. I am supposed to be doing my mother's jeans. Yes, when people know you can sew, they will always ask you to do something for them. So I have to sort out the bottom seams of about 5 different pairs of jeans, and my own pair of jeans, which I purchased a while ago, and I haven't had the chance to do that. So it looks like I'll just be doing some mending. But other than that, come January, I have a plan or what I want to do, my challenge for next year, but I will tell you more about that in the next video that I do. Other than that, I am wishing